Good day, Philippines and universe. Welcome to One TV International. It's a new day and we have another event to witness today as we gather to celebrate the Grand Alumni Homecoming and General Assembly of Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Lopez Campus. This is Justine and I am your lovely host. Do you know that Polytechnic University of the Philippines Lopez Campus was established on February 13, 1979 during the presidency of Dr. Pablo T. Mateo Jr. And that time, there was only one concrete 3-story building with 21 classrooms and another story building made of woods which housed the library, the faculty rooms, and administrative offices. Welcome to One TV International. So as part of this wonderful celebration, I have here an alumni of Batch 1988, ma'am. So, Ma'am Laila.
Hi everyone, I'm actually from Batch 1988. So it's been over 30 years before I came back here. So I'm so excited to be here. The most unforgettable experiences I got to actually, first is our batch, 1988, was the first batch to graduate in a church rather than in school.
Well, first and foremost, I have to lead and take care of all the registered local alumni associations of the Polytechnic University of the Philippines. I am a believer of the concept of servant leadership, in which in order for you to lead, you need to serve first. The Polytechnic University of the Philippines being true to its mandate of serving the economically challenged students. We provide programs that would provide them technical expertise, both in the arts and also in the sciences.
Let's have Ma'am Josefina Calope. From what batch are you, ma'am?
1989, Bachelor in Office Administration. Siguro yung attitude na lahat kakayanin mo. Dapat patience at sa trabaho din, kailangan talagang pag-usaya. Lahat ng PUP, pinag-uusayan talaga yung gawa nila.
My roles and responsibilities as the outgoing president of the PUP Lopez Campus Alumni Association is of course to govern the board of directors. As the president of the association, I am also the chair of the board of directors, and we all know that board of directors is the policy making body of an organization. With the support of all the officers of the association and members of the association, we were able to do this big event, the Grand Alumni Homecoming.
Malaki kasi yung contribution ng PUP sa aming dalawa. Nakapag-aral kami, scholar kami. Wala kami binabayaran na tuition fee. So, ayun, pag iniimbitahan kami ng mga professor, pumunta agad kami kahit sobrang busy namin sa work pareho. Ang talaga naging susi para makamit namin yung tagumpay is yung bilang isang estudyante ka ng PUP, malakas ba yung loob mo? So, kahit anong iba to sa'yo, kahit mahirap na trabaho, kahit mahirap na bagay, tatanggapin mo lang yan, tapos focus ka lang sa goal mo, mapagtatagumpayan mo. Yun yung training ng mga professor sa amin.
Kasama naman po natin ngayon si Sir Frederick Ubanya. From what batch nga po kayo and ano po yung course ninyo?
BS Accountancy, batch 2005. Currently, payroll manager ako sa Amazon Philippines. Siguro memorable experience yung how I get along with other students from different municipalities from Quezon. And aside from that, dito ko rin na-meet yung wife.
Okay, as an educator, marami akong natutunan dito sa Sintang Paaralan, ang PUP Lopez. Katulad na lang yung mga learnings na binibigay ng mga professor natin. Nagagamit ko ito sa pang-araw-araw na buhay at nai-apply ko sa aking mga estudyante. Nagpapasalamat ako dahil may PUP Lopez dito sa Lopez, Quezon, dahil ako ay nakapag-aral. Kahit sabay-sabay kaming nag-college na magkakapatid, ay naitaguyod ng aking magulang ang makatapos kami na pag-aaral.
Nagtapos kami dito at na-equip, nabigyan kami ng armas na tumibay ang aming loob. Pag suong sa mga hamon ng pagtatrabaho. Sa maliit na halaga na napuhunan sa pag-aaral sa PUP ay nakakapagdulot naman ito ng maraming graduates at matibay na pundasyon sa palaran sa buhay.
Marami kaming memorable experience dito sa PUP. Since high school pa lang, andito na ako. Since ako ay mahilig sa dancing, so kasali ako sa organization ng PDA. Kami yung laging nagre-represent ng for intermission numbers. Sa buong family namin is dito nag-graduate. Then, hindi na rin iba sa amin yung mga professors.
I'm very lucky dahil nagkaroon ng Polytechnic University of the Philippines dito sa aming bayan para mas lalo nilang matulungan yung aking mga kababayan na gusto makapag-aral. Malaki ang naitulong sa akin ng PUP dahil kung wala itong eskwelahan na ito, siguro wala ako ngayon sa aking kilalalagyan. No? Sa mga estudyante na nagnanais mangarap, siyempre, lagi niyong tatandaan, andito ang Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Sabi nga, ito yung state university na tinutulungan nila para matupad ang mga pangarap.
Thank you, Architect Villasanta. Overwhelming message yan. It's very evident naman na talaga na isa siya sa mga successful alumni ng PUP Lopez.